Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel, really helps us out. Taking a look at Polygon then, as we can see, been under resistance for a good amount of time. We did get that breakout, the fake out back inside, the breakout again in the back test, obviously forming a good amount of structure at these lows here, in and around 35 to 40 cents. You can see all the structure being made. We came down to try and fill that previous wick, forming this huge W double bottom, and you can see we are slowly making our way up now towards that 0.23 Fibonacci, back up towards 50-55 cents as I expect. We would be, as you can see here, we are still under our 100 moving average as well, but very much looking like it's bottoming out in my opinion, Polygon. After this continued downtrend that we've been under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside that we've seen across the market for altcoins. And you can see here, Polygon right now very much just looking like it's coming down into this bear market range low area, getting a big bounce here, going down to back test, and now slowly grinding to the upside, getting a bit of a big red candle today, with Bitcoin basically looking like it's just retracing and having a bit of a rollover after tapping resistance. But overall, I do think that Polygon is going to come good going forward into the future, looking like this is very much coming into a good area of demand down here at the bear market range low, sitting at around 40 cents. It's around what we're looking at, an 8 or a 9x back to the all-time high of around $3 from this area, just to the all-time high, which is pretty crazy for a crypto of Polygon size and stature. Right now, not much to report, just waiting and seeing what will happen next. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below and like and subscribe for more.